Hey guys, welcome back. Today I've got a short video on fitting this M1A into this, I wouldn't say aftermarket stock, but this replacement stock. The thing that's needing fitting, the recoil spring guide retention pin has a protrusion on it, and this stock doesn't allow for that protrusion. Once we get it out of the M1A stock, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So let's do that first. Okay, with the camera zoomed in a little bit and the rifle taken apart, the protrusion is right here. And there's a couple theories of ways of fixing this, and one is to just shave it off. And then it'll fit in every stock. I like the fact that it's being held in by the stock as well, and I don't like the thought of grinding on any metal on this rifle. So on our standard Springfield stock here, you can see that this cutout has been made here to allow that pin to actually set down in. But on our replacement stock, that cutout is not present. You can kind of see right where the flashlight is the indent of me trying to put the M1A together in this stock, and it gives us a nice witness mark to go in here with a chisel to score, and then a Dremel tool with a bit on it, and just notch this area out. So it's a real quick, real simple job. Let me get the Dremel out, find a bit that's going to fit in there, and then get this whole thing set up so that you guys can watch it. Okay, after digging around, I was able to find that this end mill. And ideally, what I do is take this end mill and chuck it up in my Dremel, and then just whittle away right here where our pin is going to inset. However, I do not have said luxury because the drive on this is too big for the Dremel. I've got a solution for it. Some of you may not like it, but it's going to get the job done, and I can always clean it up with the Dremel after it's said and done. And you can see where our problem is here. So we are slowly but surely getting there. I might have to go up one size in my end mill just to give us a little bit more room, which isn't a problem. Alright, we're about halfway down that pin. I'm also going to relief cut it a little bit further back, because you can see up here at the front behind our gas block, we're not quite set all the way back. There it is, forced in. You can see we're completely covering that pin now, but I believe we're at the bottom of our hole. And there we go. We're all the way down. Let's check to make sure our trigger assembly latches in. Yeah, everything's working just as advertised. Let's go back in, clean up that hole, and then get this plastic handguard off and replace it with this nice wood one. While we're under here, just give it a little bit of CLP because we're here. All right. And what we'll have to do is come across the front here, clean up some of it to make it fit in the back. Okay, we're just about there. All we have to do is open up our snap ring and come down on to our barrel. So what I had to do was face this off this way, lengthwise, and then come across the top here to give us a little bit more room inside this band. It is tapered because it's a folded over piece of metal, so I did get a little bit of a radius around the end here, and we've got a couple of little shiny spots. Take care of that. If I had some like inlet compound or something, I'd be able to tell a lot better where I need to come off at. But for the purposes that we have right now, I don't think we really need it. Give this a tap. There. And now let's open up our snap ring and set it on there. There we go. Nice and even, flush, not too tight. Got a little bit of loose. It's fine, it won't bang around, and it's not going anywhere. And I think we look a lot better. Okay guys, well, with some hand tools and a little bit of time, we took this boring old plastic stock off of our M1A and installed this nice hardwood aftermarket stock. Now, like I said, these weren't a pair, so they are a little bit mismatched. I think with a little bit of time, maybe some Danish oil or something on there, we can make them match. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. As always, look back for more videos. I appreciate you all watching. I'm going to be trying to post more now that things have settled down, like I mentioned. And yeah, we'll get back to shooting. So as always, guys, thanks for watching.